In this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of modern beef processing technology. The video showcases the cutting-edge methods employed in meat processing within a semi-automatic facility, tracing the journey of meat from the farm to your plate. Livestock slaughter involves three distinct stages: pre-slaughter handling, stunning, and slaughtering. In the United States, humane treatment of animals is important. It is mandated by the Humane Slaughter Act. Once the cattle is delivered to the plant, the slaughter process commences. Livestock are restrained in a chute to limit their movement, following which they are stunned to ensure a humane and painless end. Stunning also reduces the stress levels of the animals and improves the quality of the meat. Mechanical, electrical, and carbon dioxide gas methods are the most common means of stunning, aiming to render the animal unconscious. Following stunning, animals are usually suspended by a hind leg and moved along a conveyor line for slaughter procedures. They are typically bled through a process called sticking or exsanguination, involving the insertion of a knife into the thoracic cavity to sever the cardioid artery and jugular vein. This method facilitates maximal blood removal from the body. Subsequent procedures, such as evisceration and splitting, vary by species. The carcasses undergo chilling in a cooler for a specified period before being fabricated into meat cut. Employee hygiene plays a crucial role in minimizing the spread of pathogens in meat processing plants. Failure to adhere to proper hygiene practices, such as thorough hand washing and wearing sanitized personal protective equipment, can lead to contamination and the spread of foodborne illnesses. Diverse arrays of cutting-edge machinery, meticulously engineered to meet the exacting demands of modern meat processing, play an instrumental role in orchestrating the intricate ballet of transforming raw livestock into consumable products. At the forefront of this technological marvel stands the cattle dehydrating machine, a marvel of engineering prowess renowned for its unparalleled efficacy in swiftly and precisely stripping away the bovine skin, revealing the pristine meat beneath. This marvel of innovation not only expedites the processing workflow, but also ensures utmost precision, setting the standard for efficiency in the industry. Following meticulous processes of hide removal, the journey continues with brisket opening and carcass evisceration, where every step is imbued with an unwavering commitment to upholding impeccable hygiene standards. Rigorous protocols are meticulously enforced to prevent any cross-contamination among the diverse anatomical components of the animal, safeguarding both product integrity and consumer safety. In this meticulously choreographed dance of precision, every movement is executed with exacting precision to uphold the highest standards of quality assurance. In tandem with these efforts, automated carcass splitting systems come into play, seamlessly integrating into the processing line to streamline operations with unparalleled precision and efficiency. These cutting-edge systems not only optimize productivity, but also ensure uniformity in cuts, enhancing overall operational efficiency and minimizing wastage. These integration into the workflow represents a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence in modern meat processing techniques. Plants utilize both manual and mechanical methods for cleaning and straightening real intestines to prepare them for use as hot dog casings. Manual cleanings involve skilled workers meticulously inspecting and rinsing the intestines by hand to remove surface impurities, debris, and excess fat. This process requires attention to detail to ensure thorough sanitation. In addition to manual cleaning, plants may employ mechanical equipment designed specifically for cleaning and straightening real intestines. These machines utilize a series of automated processes such as soaking, brushing, and rinsing to effectively sanitize the intestines and remove any remaining contaminants. Mechanical methods can streamline the cleaning process and improve efficiency, particularly for large-scale production operations. Cleaning real intestines for hot dog casing is a thorough process involving multiple steps to ensure sanitation and safety upon arrival. The intestines undergo inspection to discard any damaged sections. They are then rinsed to remove any surface debris and impurities before being soaked in cleaning solutions comprising water, detergents, and sanitizers. These solutions effectively sanitize the intestines, eliminating bacteria and pathogens. Following soaking, a meticulous inspection is conducted to ensure thorough cleaning, with any remaining debris removed by hand. Once cleaned, the intestines are stored in a controlled environment until ready for use. Throughout the process, strict adherence to food safety and hygiene protocols is paramount to guarantee the cleanliness and safety of the final product. The processing of hot dogs, particularly using real intestines as casings, involves a meticulous and multi-step procedure aimed at ensuring both quality and safety in the final product. The journey typically begins with a selection of high-quality cuts of meat, often a blend of pork, beef, or poultry, which are carefully inspected for freshness and purity. These meats are then finely ground and mixed with a precise combination of spices, seasonings, and binders to achieve the desired flavor profile and texture. Meanwhile, the real intestines sourced from animals are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized and prepared for use as casings. Once the meat mixture is ready, it's meticulously stuffed into the real intestine casings and using specialized equipment, ensuring uniformity and consistency in size and shape. This step requires a delicate balance of pressure and technique to achieve the perfect fill without overstuffing or understuffing the casings. Following the stuffing, the hot dogs undergo a series of thermal processing steps, including cooking and smoking, to enhance flavor, texture, and safety. These processes not only cook the meat thoroughly, but also impart a rich, smoky flavor that's characteristic of traditional hot dogs. Finally, the hot dogs are cooled, packaged, and distributed to consumers, ready to be enjoyed as a delicious and convenient snack or meal option. Throughout the entire process, strict adherence to hygiene and food safety protocols is paramount to ensure the highest standards of quality and safety in the finished product. The aftermath of the slaughter yields a treasure trove of invaluable byproducts, collectively known as offal, each possessing its own unique utility across various industries. From vital organs brimming with nutrients to sturdy bones ripe for utilization, these byproducts find multifaceted applications, serving as essential ingredients in animal feeds, pharmaceutical formulations, and even delectable confections. Their utilization underscores the inherent sustainability of the meat processing industry, where every component is meticulously utilized to maximize resource efficiency. Amidst the intricate dance of processing, stringent meat inspection protocols stand as the bedrock of consumer safety and product integrity. Mandated by regulatory authorities, these protocols ensure rigorous oversight at every stage of the processing journey. From slaughterhouse to retail shelf, adherence to these fundamental principles, overseen by competent government officials and skilled personnel, serve as a bulwark against potential risks, reassuring consumers of the uncompromising commitment to quality assurance. In the realm of American meat-cutting practices, the transformation of whole carcasses into butchers wielding precision instruments with deft hands meticulously carve and craft each to perfection, ensuring optimal yield and consistency. These carefully curated cuts undergo further refinement and packaging, meticulously prepared for distribution to discerning retailers who demand nothing but the finest quality. The history of beef is intertwined with the evolution of human civilization itself. Dating back to ancient times, the domestication of cattle marked a pivotal moment in agricultural development, providing early human societies with a reliable source of meat, milk, and labor. The origins of beef consumption can be traced back to regions such as the Middle East and the Indian subcontinent, where cattle were revered and utilized for their multifaceted contributions to daily life. As civilizations flourished and expanded, so too did the demand for beef, leading to the establishment of cattle ranching and husbandry practices across diverse cultures and geographies. In medieval Europe, beef emerged as a staple protein in the diets of nobility and commoners alike, with the advent of techniques such as salting and smoking enabling its preservation for long-distance trade. The colonization of the Americas further transformed the global beef industry, with the introduction of European cattle breeds and husbandry practices shaping the landscape of beef production in the New World. Over the centuries, advancements in technology and transportation have revolutionized the beef industry, facilitating the mass production, processing, and distribution of beef products on a global scale. Today, beef remains a cornerstone of the world's food supply. cherished for its rich flavor, nutritional value, and cultural significance across continents and cuisines. As the journey progresses from processing plant to consumer table, a seamless synergy between refrigeration and transportation emerges as a linchpin in preserving product freshness and safety. Rigorous protocols are meticulously orchestrated to maintain optimal temperature control, mitigating the risk of contamination and ensuring the preservation of product quality throughout the supply chain. Emphasis on thorough cooking further reinforces the commitment to consumer safety, serving as a final barrier against any potential pathogens, thus epitomizing the unwavering dedication to upholding the highest standards of food safety and quality assurance. In this comprehensive exploration of modern beef processing technology, we've traversed the intricate journey of meat from farm to plate, witnessing the integration of cutting-edge machinery, stringent hygiene standards, and meticulous processing techniques. From the initial stages of pre-slaughter handling to the final fabrication of meat cuts, every aspect of the process is governed by a commitment to excellence and safety. As we reflect on the evolution of beef throughout history, from ancient civilizations to present day, we're reminded of its profound impact on human culture and sustenance. Today, beef stands as a symbol of culinary excellence and nutritional value, cherished by individuals around the globe. As we look for the future, the preservation of product integrity and consumer safety remains paramount, underscoring the unwavering dedication of the industry to uphold the highest standards of quality assurance.
Thanks for watching.